Want to learn how to get Sabrina's face makeup? Watch this video. Her skin is always healthy, dewy, and for that, a good moisturizer is a must. Massaging your face, especially under eyes, followed by a good color corrector and concealer to conceal all the dark and grey spots on the face. I prefer minimal coverage and hence prefer skin tints and CC creams. This Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Cream is so good. I used it for the first time and I loved the finish. I have recently started contouring my face, especially the nose and the eye area, and I love how it looks on me. Blending the contour is really important to get that chiseled face, just like the stars do. Using a brightening concealer to highlight the areas of my face, such as under eyes, the forehead and nose, and also to reverse contour. Sabrina uses the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wands on Pinkgasm and Champagne Glow. She's known for her signature glowy, dewy blush. This combination gives you exactly that glow. Look at the dewy candlelit skin. Now using my Givenchy Prisme Libre powder, this powder gives you that filter effect. It smooths out all the pores. Look at the difference. And we're done with the base look. I absolutely love it. Hope you liked it. Come back tomorrow for the eye look. Bye!